Okay, this is my greenhouse. Put it in last year. That was a rough go, getting some things dialed in, but this year is much better. As you notice, it's on a slab. That's because of HOA requirements. Had to have it on a slab. They consider it a shed. So installed it. Got it from Costco. It's an 8x10 now. Now it's 7x8 roughly. I'll put the link in the description. Now there's newer ones. I think the newer one at Costco has different vents and windows, but got this one. Picking away at it every year. We add the stuff down here. This outside stuff this year. We got a strawberry troth, some morning glories growing up the side, black-eyed Susans, and wildflowers over here on the outside. I ran a hose into the ground underneath so I get water inside. I also tapped into power and put that in as well. So we're kind of getting it dialed in month over month, year over year. On the outside here, we got some tomatoes, peppers, bell peppers, composting bin, put in a raised bed. This year, got some issues with that, working through it. Let's take a look inside. Tomatoes are going pretty well. I got some indeterminates here. Had to hook up a water cooler, a swamp cool system. We'll get more into that, another video on how I'm cooling this down this year, and it's actually cooler in here than it would be just out in the yard in the summertime. So I'm no longer using this window. There's too much wind here in Colorado. I think we're in a temperate zone 6A. Hot days during the summer. 6A. I think we get like high 80s, low 90s during the summer. Dry. Oh, here we go. And the fan just kicked on. It's all on a timer. Again, I'll show this on another video. Once we reach a certain temperature in here, swamp cooler kicks on, exhaust fan kicks on up there, and we have a little fan over here that actually circulates air as well. So I just wanted to do a quick, brief intro. The channel is called SlothGreens because I had a little sloth guy up there. I love greens, and I grow stuff slow. Slow grow yields produce, and I'm learning as we go. I got a cucumber plant over here in the corner. A cucumber there. Had to trim him up. He was looking pretty bad. Might have some spider mites that I sprayed for neem oil with. But we got a cucumber up there, and then yeah, just growing some stuff here in the greenhouse. And first video, transplanted these guys last night. I'm going to try to hopefully get those going for this September, October, because they can grow in here right up until November, into the winter here. So I transplanted this guy a few weeks back. He's looking pretty good. Did some experimenting with these guys yesterday, using this root boost, and I'll do a video on that as well. So all good stuff. I try to do things all natural. We got kelp meal, we got worm castings, Epsom salt, diatomaceous earth, all natural, organic as much as I can. Everything in here was grown from seed. I started in September. No, not September. I started in January of this year, and this is what we got. I harvest every day, and yeah, enjoy. I'll make some more videos.